Imagine this. It's 9 a.m., you're about to hit send on a critical client proposal, the one that could make or break your quarter. Your finger hovers over the mouse, a moment of triumph, and then, nothing. Your screen freezes, Outlook is gone, your heart sinks. This isn't just a minor glitch, it's a full-blown Microsoft Outlook outage, and it just derailed your entire day. What most people don't realize is that these aren't just random hiccups. These widespread disruptions, often affecting millions globally, are a stark reminder of our absolute reliance on a single, massive digital infrastructure. The emotional stakes here are immense. Lost deals, missed deadlines, shattered productivity, and the sheer frustration of being powerless. We've all been there, staring at a connecting to server message that never resolves, feeling that cold dread creep in. But what if I told you there's a hidden battle being fought behind the scenes, a constant struggle to keep these essential services running, and that understanding it could change how you react to the next inevitable crash? In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain on Microsoft's biggest challenges, expose the true cost of these outages, and equip you with the knowledge to navigate the digital storms. This isn't just about email, it's about the backbone of modern communication, and when it breaks, the world feels it. Get ready to discover the shocking truth behind why your Outlook keeps going dark, and what it really means for you.
People often ask how this channel puts out content like this so consistently. And honestly, I'm not doing the heavy lifting manually. I'm using Helios. It's the AI engine we built to handle the impossible parts of creation. It is literally the power behind what you just watched. If you want that kind of speed and quality at your fingertips, don't just watch AI build the future, start building it yourself. Helios is finally open to the public. Check the link in the description and go bring the heat.
Microsoft 365, with Outlook at its core, isn't just an application, it's a global behemoth, serving billions of users across every continent. From Fortune 500 companies to small businesses and individual users, it's the digital lifeblood for countless operations. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite Microsoft's colossal resources and cutting-edge technology, these outages are not only frequent but sometimes devastatingly long. Remember the massive Microsoft 365 outage in January 2023, or the one in October 2020 that left millions without email for hours? These weren't isolated incidents, they're part of a recurring pattern. The tension builds when you consider the sheer complexity involved. We're talking about a sprawling network of data centers, intricate software ecosystems, and a constant dance of updates and patches. One tiny misstep, one overlooked line of code, or a single point of failure can cascade into a global communication blackout. What most people don't realize is that the very scale that makes Microsoft 365 so powerful also makes it incredibly vulnerable. Every new feature, every security update, every server upgrade introduces a new layer of potential risk. So, the core question isn't if an outage will happen, but why they happen with such regularity, and what specific vulnerabilities are being exploited, sometimes unintentionally, to bring down such a critical service. We're about to dive into the technical underbelly, revealing the surprising culprits behind these digital disappearances. So, what exactly triggers these digital blackouts? It's rarely one single, simple cause. Often, it's a perfect storm of factors. One major culprit is *DNS, or Domain Name System * issues. Think of DNS as the Internet's phonebook. It translates human-readable website names into IP addresses. If Microsoft's DNS servers hiccup, your computer can't find Outlook, even if the service itself is technically running. We saw this play out in a significant outage in September 2020, where DNS configuration errors left users unable to access various Microsoft services. But wait, there's more. Another frequent offender is *BGP, or Border Gateway Protocol * routing errors. BGP is how different parts of the Internet talk to each other. A misconfigured BGP route can inadvertently redirect traffic away from Microsoft's servers, making them unreachable. This isn't just a Microsoft problem, it's a global Internet vulnerability that can affect any major service. And that's not even the craziest part. Sometimes, the problem is much closer to home: software bugs. A faulty update, a coding error, or an unexpected interaction between different components within Microsoft 365 can trigger a domino effect, bringing down services. Remember the infamous Mo 1,221,364 incident in 2020? That was a software update gone wrong, causing widespread authentication issues. Finally, we can't ignore *DDoS attacks or distributed denial of service. Malicious actors flood Microsoft's servers with traffic, overwhelming them and making them unavailable. While Microsoft has robust defenses, these attacks are constantly evolving. The complexity of these systems means that even the most minor flaw can have catastrophic consequences, leaving millions in the dark. It's a constant high-stakes game of digital whack-a-mole. The ripple effect of a Microsoft Outlook outage extends far beyond a few missed emails. For businesses, it can mean a complete halt to operations. Sales teams can't send proposals, customer service can't respond to inquiries, and internal communication grinds to a standstill. The financial impact can be staggering, with estimates of millions of dollars lost per hour during major incidents. What most people don't realize is the psychological toll it takes too. The stress of being unable to perform essential job functions, the fear of missing critical information, and the feeling of helplessness can be immense. And this is the part that blew my mind. Our increasing reliance on cloud-based services means that when one giant like Microsoft stumbles, the entire digital ecosystem feels the tremor. It's not just Outlook, it's Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, all interconnected. A single point of failure can paralyze an entire organization. Now, you might be thinking, is there anything I can do? While you can't prevent Microsoft's infrastructure from failing, you can certainly mitigate the impact. Having backup communication channels, like a dedicated internal chat system or even old-fashioned phone calls, becomes critical. Regularly backing up important data locally or to an alternative cloud service can be a lifesaver. Furthermore, staying informed through Microsoft's official status page or reliable third-party trackers like Downdetector can provide crucial real-time information, helping you make informed decisions during an outage. The key isn't to avoid the inevitable, but to be prepared for it, transforming a potential crisis into a manageable inconvenience. So, what does this all mean for you, the everyday user, or the business owner relying on Microsoft 365? The main insight here is clear. In our hyper-connected world, digital outages are not a matter of if, but when. The sheer scale and complexity of services like Microsoft Outlook make them inherently vulnerable to a myriad of issues, from human error and software bugs to sophisticated cyber attacks. The payoff of understanding this isn't just intellectual, it's practical. By recognizing the underlying causes and the potential impact, you can shift from a reactive state of frustration to a proactive stance of preparedness. This means implementing robust backup strategies, diversifying your communication tools, and fostering a culture of digital resilience within your team or personal workflow. The implications are profound. Those who adapt and prepare will minimize downtime and maintain productivity, while those who remain unaware will continue to be blindsided by every disruption. The future of digital communication demands a new level of awareness and readiness. Don't just hope your email stays up. Understand why it might go down and what you can do about it. So, what are your thoughts on these recurring outages? Have you experienced a particularly frustrating one? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Your insights could help someone else navigate the next digital storm. And if you found this deep dive valuable, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next critical tech breakdown. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your digital life running smoothly.
I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you're sitting there thinking you want to build something like this yourself, you don't have to start from scratch. I built Helios to give creators an unfair advantage. It takes the heavy lifting out of the process so you can focus on the ideas. It's exactly what I use, and now it's available for you too. The link is in the description. Don't just watch the future, go build it with Helios. I'll see you in the next one.